time Pak Z. Sebab masa time Pak Z masuk bisnes ini, time tu juga I masuk. Betul tak Pak Z? Dia dengan I selalu punch card sama je. So kita tak pernah miss. Alright. So to me memang first few times yang baru dapat treat me kan, kita rasa macam seronok. Tapi bila kita dah lama dalam bisnes ini, trips is actually not about us anymore. It's about membawa rangkaian ikut kita sekali. Betul. Sebab rangkaian kita dah makin lama makin besar. Jadi kita nak bawa dia all datang untuk join kita because kita feel kelebihan dia tau. Jadi mindset dah berubah. Kalau mindset kita daripada dulu sampai sekarang, fikirkan kita je, I rasa kita belum upgrade diri kita lagi. Jadi banyak benda insaf ada. I feel I got a lot more to do, a lot more to improve, to bring more of our people, our network together lah. Jadi balik ni memang kena go through our network, kan? Fikirkan mindset tu very important lah. Jadi it's not about me anymore. Tapi all the while I datang, I memang fight because I love travelling. Tapi kali ni pula I dapat, alhamdulillah, dapat bawa anak I. Selama ni, every year my children will always buy a ticket for me for holiday lah, once a year. Tapi kali ini, yalah kita pergi memang kan kena bajet-bajet, betul. Tapi kali ini I did it, alright. I pun tak tahu macam mana, I just buat aja. I dapat, this is my first time I dapat 2 tickets. Jadi kepuasan dia lain, kan? Kita tak payah fikirkan apa-apa. So I feel it's time for me to give back to my children juga. Sebab all the while dia all yang kasih I trips kan. So now I give back. So that's what my mother ajar I lah. Yau le yau hoi. Okay, you got something, you must give back something. Then the thing will be continuous lah. Okay. So memang I nasihatkan semua kat sini juga. Alright. Balik, kita kena balik sharpen our mindset still. Alright. And then try to bring as many of our network to come along lah. Because dia orang datang sini baru dia orang rasa tau. You have to come. Once you come, you will not stop. That's the beauty of our VVIP trip lah. Alright, so all the best to everybody. Alright, hope to see everybody again and again and again. And then hopefully we'll get Andy again and again and again.